What to do, gang? We got a BMW trying to play one time. I think we're gonna see. I think he's trying to catch up. Have a little fun, my little RT. Little POV drive, you did. Where he at though? He just going crazy. There you go. He catching up. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what he do. We're gonna see what he do. Oh, little bumpy ride though. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna keep up with him now. We up there with him now. We up there with him now. Up there with the 335. We up there with the 335. Downshift. I'm still pulling. I'm messing my shit. Let me downshift. Hold on. Oh, he cutting up. He got me on that one. Hold on. I think I got my square mode on. We catching up. We catching up. But he thought he was gonna leave us though. He thought he was gonna leave the Rolls Royce Rango though. Hold on, turn the starlights on. What is that? What is that? Rolls Royce Rango though. Hold on. But he thought he was about to leave us. Hold on. We up there. He gone. He definitely gone. We're gonna keep up with him now. We're gonna keep up with him now. Definitely the tune, man. When they talk about top speed, they just stop. We just keep it there though. Hold on, he up there, We're gonna catch it. Hold on, what do you think you doing? Oh yeah, shoot the gap. I'm there with you, boy. You taking the exit, That was fun. Playtime one time, that was fun. I don't want to play with us too. Hold on. Keep up. I don't think you're gonna keep up. We're gonna see. Downshift one time. Gonna let him catch up. Have a little fun with the Honda. First the BMW, not a Honda. Come on, brother, you gonna scoot over? That's Vontae. Hold on. How my dog go? What up, nigga? How my dog go? Oh no. Come and make a video one time. I'm really want to back up. My dog, Vontae, shot at my dog one time. Hold on, let me slow down. What up, nigga? He going on the vlog. What up, nigga? Going on the vlog, though? Hold on, back there. This is a quick little POV drive for y'all, man. I know I haven't been posting recently a lot. There's a couple things been going on, you know, with MW Tubes, life you dig. So we gonna keep it going though. We gonna keep it rolling though, dog. I can't even talk. What did I just say? We gonna keep it rolling though, y'all. We gonna keep the content coming. It's just like a little quick random video for y'all just to have, you dig. And then more longer form videos gonna come, you dig. Shout out my dog Vontae, seen him on the random side, you dig. And let's see, should we end the video right here? Should we keep it going? Let the steering wheel, man. I can't get tired of this, man. Carbon fiber on it. Definitely cool. See my dog catch up. Think him catch up? I don't know. I think he break down. With the starlight shit again, you dig? More POV drives coming. More car shows coming. More car content coming. More car conversations, even reactions. You did reaction videos coming soon too. I'm gonna keep them posted. Just stay posted, y'all did. All right, well, if something else come up, I'm gonna keep recording, but I'm probably just stop it right here. It's your boy M Dub. We out of here, y'all.